Good morning, students. We are going to see more questions that may come for the exam. Okay, exam point of view को अगर देखें तो बहुत सारे ऐसे questions है which you will not find in your textbook, that is your Nirali. So you have to refer many books and then come to one answer. Okay, so ऐसे questions है, तो इसके लिए शार्प ने और एक सप्लीमेंट्री कॉपी करके आप लोगों को अटैच करके दिया है. सो यू कैन गो थ्रू दैट बुक. ओके, आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग यू व्हाट एक्चुअली द क्वेश्चन इज एंड हाउ आंसर शुड बी रिटन. Now the question is, explain the legal and non-legal measures for recovery of loan. Okay, so this is from chapter 8 and it has come for the exam in March 2016. Okay, now as I told you, a good credit decision may turn out to be bad advance due to bad follow up. Okay, अगर आपने अच्छे से follow up नहीं किया तो whatever decisions you have taken, it may turn out to be bad. Okay, now the post-sanction follow-up comprises of inspection of security goods, inspection of books, and careful analysis of conduct of the advances, and the type and the nature of inspection would depend upon the type of credit facility. Okay, first one is follow-up action. As we know that they are of two types, that is qualitative follow-up and quantitative follow-up. तो पहला क्या है, फॉलो अप एक्शन. ओके, सो हियर इन फॉलो अप एक्शन फर्स्ट टर्म इज क्वालिटेटिव फॉलो अप. Now qualitative aspect of follow-up are as follows, that is inspection of system of maintenance of registers, books, stock statements, etc. Okay, probing age, quality of sundry debtors and creditors. All stock and machinery property should be insured against necessary risk. Next is verify whether operations are satisfactory, that is stock turnover, capacity utilization, machinery maintenance, noting adverse or extraneous exist. Next is verify whether statutory dues are paid promptly and whether Factories Act, Labor Act provisions are complied within. Okay, ये check करना चाहिए in follow up action that you are looking for qualitative follow up. Next is verify whether bank interest over stock and machinery is properly displayed. Okay, then discuss the unit problem with promoters or key persons. Okay, take a note of any decision amongst partners or directors and also probe into future turnover key personnel. ओके, ये हो गए आपके क्वालिटेटिव फॉलोअप. नेक्स्ट इज क्वांटिटेटिव फॉलोअप, दैट इज इंस्पेक्ट स्टॉक मशीनरी विथ रेफरेंस टू क्वालिटी, क्वांटिटी, टर्नओवर, स्टॉकिंग पैटर्न, वैल्यूएशन thereof, observations of inventory norms, declaration of unpaid and obsolete stock, etc. Beware of any usual spurt in the activity or decline therein, probe the reason. Okay, so these are the quantitative follow-up. Next is one-time settlement of dues. So when payment are due for a long period, bank क्या करता है, resorts to various non-legal measures. Okay, at first the most convenient of course is one-time settlement, and banker क्या करता है, and the party from whom the money is due in the form of interest payment or installment payment agree to meet a negotiable one-time settlement of dues. Okay, now bank may some concessions in accrued interest if one lump sum payment is affected to settle the whole matters. Okay, so that it is saved the trouble of keeping further follow up of the payment and incurring the further expenses on the matter in the case. Okay, the cost of follow-up of dues over a long period exceeds the actual dues. Hence, it is prudent to go for a one-time settlement. Next is recovery camps. Okay, so second thing it will do, third thing it will do is recovery camp. First is follow-up action. Second is one-time settlement dues. ओके, थर्ड इज रिकवरी कैंप. बैंक क्या करेगा, इट विल होल्ड अ रिकवरी कैंप फॉर द रिकवरी ऑफ ड्यूज. ओके, जो ड्यूज है, ओके, फॉर द रिकवरी ऑफ सच ड्यूज दे विल हेल्ड अ रिकवरी कैंप्स. ओके, from the specific sectors. For example, bank may find that a large number of customers are taking car loans and having not paid their installment for a long time. Okay, अगर ऐसा कुछ है then they will hold a recovery camp. Here the bank will hold a camp for recovery of car loans. This means it will station a special task force in particular area where large number of defaulters is found. Similarly, one finds bank holding a camp for or a recovery of agricultural debts in a specific area. The advantage of holding such camp is that camps receive a large publicity in public area and defaulters are made aware of punitive actions by the bank if dues are not paid in time. Okay, and also bank can make proper utilization of recovery staff. Recovery camps help banks to collect substantial. Sorry for the interruption cost. Okay, so here recovery camps help the bank to collect a substantial amount of arrears in a comparatively short time. Okay, so here recovery camp वो लोग held करेंगे. Next is recovering through self-help group. Now banks what they do, they may take the help of the local self-help group. Okay, for the recovery of their dues. Okay, जैसे कि small groups they will form and they will try to get the loan recovered from the self-help group. So instead of approaching one individual, what they will do, they will request a group. Okay, एक group को वो लोग request करेंगे and agreed to proposal wherein the payment are deducted from an individual group account. Okay, and paid to the bank directly. So this is like deducting installment payments from the salary of a salaried individual for purchase of capital goods or housing, etc. And after paying the bank which has given a loan for a particular asset. So these are the 4 things that will be taken that is non-legal measures for the recovery of loan, that is legal and non-legal measures. First one is what? Follow-up action, that is a quantitative follow-up and qualitative follow-up. Second is one time settlement of dues. Okay, so एक one time पे ही settle करना, that is the second measure that is taken by the bank. Third is recovery camp. Okay, bank will hold a recovery camp of a particular sector. जैसे कि housing sector में लोगों ने loan लिया, so it will hold a recovery camp only for recovering loans from the housing sector. अगर बहुत सारे लोगों ने कार का लोन लिया, so to recover the loan from the people who or customers who had taken loan from the for purchasing a car, okay, उसको recover करने के लिए they will hold a camp. Okay, नेक्स्ट इज रिकवरिंग थ्रू सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप. ओके, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप जो रहते हैं उनसे भी रिकवर कर सकते हैं. व्हाट दे विल डू, बैंक में टेक द हेल्प ऑफ अ सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप और फॉर द रिकवरी ऑफ देयर ड्यूज. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ अप्रोचिंग वन इंडिविजुअल, व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल रिक्वेस्ट दिस ग्रुप कि ऐसा ऐसा है एंड यू हैव टू रिकवर द लोन. तो वो लोग क्या करेंगे, दे विल अग्री टू द प्रपोजल वेयर द पेमेंट आर डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम द इंडिविजुअल ग्रुप. ओके, अकाउंट, इंडिविजुअल ग्रुप अकाउंट से वो लोग डिडक्ट करेंगे एंड दे विल पे डायरेक्टली टू द बैंक. ओके, जैसे कि अगर हम लोग सैलरीड पीपल है, ओके, इफ़ वी आर गेटिंग अ सैलरी एंड इफ़ यू टेक अ लोन, हम लोगों का क्या होगा, हमारे सैलरी से ही वो लोन का अमाउंट जो प्रीमियम है वो डिडक्ट हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज हाउ दिस वर्क, दैट इज रिकवरी थ्रू सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप. ओके, ऐसे भी चलता है. सो दीज आर द 4 स्टेप्स दैट इज टेकन बाय द बैंक टू रिकवर लोन. ओके, first one is a follow up, second one is one time settlement of dues, third is recovery camps, fourth is recovery through self help group. So these are the 4 steps that are taken by the bank to recover the loan. Okay, first is by legal and non legal measures लेंगे कि वो लोग they will try to talk to that person कि ऐसा ऐसा है, अगर आपने लोन पे नहीं किया तो आपके ऊपर लीगल एक्शंस लिया जाएगा. Okay, and second is if after convincing that person to non-legal measures, if that person doesn't listen or doesn't pay off the dues, then bank will take the legal measures. Legal measures में वो लोग क्या करेंगे, they will file a suit against him in the court. Okay, and they can be imprisonment also if that person doesn't pay off the loans. Okay, So these are some of the steps that are taken by the bank to pay for the person who doesn't pay off the loan. Okay, so ऐसे steps लिए जाते हैं बैंक that they will have to pay the amount of loan. Okay, तो ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन आया तो you have to write it in detail. Okay, follow up action मतलब क्या है, तो there are qualitative and quantitative measures. Qualitative aspects में क्या होता है, the inspection of the system of the maintenance of registered books, stock statement, except probing age, quality of sundry debtors and creditors, ये सब देखा जाता है. Then all stock and machinery property should be insured against necessary risk. Verify whether the operations are satisfactory and stock turnover, capacity utilization, maintenance, noting adverse and extraneous exist, that will be taken care. Then verify whether the statutory dues are paid promptly and whether Factories Act, Labor Act provisions are complied with. Okay, then verify if the bank interest over the stock and machinery is properly displayed. Discuss the unit problems and promoters or key person. Take a note of any decisions amongst the partners or directors and also probe into the future turnover key personnel. Then quantitative measures may inspect the stock machinery with reference to the quantity, quality, turnover, stock platform. मतलब quantity measures किया जाता है यहाँ पे. Valuation, okay. Observing of inventory norms, declaration of unpaid and obstacle stocks, etc. Beware of unusual spurt in the activity or decline thereon. Probe the reason. Okay, so these are the steps that are taken by the bank to sort out the recovery of the loan. Okay, loan ऐसे करके वो लोग recovery करते हैं. So you should write this thing in very detailed format कि कैसे क्या उसका recovery होता है.